Hey, what's up everybody? Ty Cole. Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, I just thought this was an interesting video I found on YouTube. Look at these guys go, man. Look at them fling that metal. Then sandals. Looks like a hole in the ground. I didn't shoot this video, so I apologize for the shakiness, but I believe that's aluminum. But I just had to think about regulations, and this was interesting how they do it compared to how our factories have to be set up. They're all walking around in sandals, dirt. Look at the guy in the blue shirt just go to town, stacking up that metal. The other guy's pouring away. Normal pants, t-shirts, no respirators, no eye protection, bare feet. Pretty interesting. But yeah, you got to think of the regulations that we deal with, and how can we compete in the free market with other countries when it's not apples to apples, that's for sure. And I mean no disrespect to these individuals. Look at them skimming it off with a shovel. Watch him. Watch him swing that liquid metal in his sandals. Yeah, skim it off there. Yeah, I believe that's aluminum. And I believe this is Africa too, which makes you wonder, why it's still so third world. They got gold, silver, aluminum, all the base metals and precious metals, lots of mines over there, and like 80% of all the diamonds in the world come out of the De Beers gold mine, or the De Beers diamond mines in Africa. So it's very interesting why it's not more developed with all the assets they have. But yeah, there's only like 4 or 5 of them, and they're weight for weight. They're putting down some metal. That's just amazing that they do that in sandals. Yeah, the next video clip coming up is from RMC, Republic Metals Corporation. Look at that. What do you see? Respirators, uniforms, steel-toed boots. Look at that facility. I mean, is it necessary? It sounds like a silly question. I mean, they got respirators on and they're not even pouring any metal. They're just handling it. Look how many it takes to load a furnace. I mean, it makes you wonder, are we getting more productive, or are we moving back in time? And on some levels anyway. That's pretty, pouring out of there. But yeah, this facility is pretty high tech. That table raises up and lowers down. That guy don't have to do any heavy lifting. Look at that. That's a hot job. But just look at the facility. I mean, they're basically pouring metal. A lot of the YouTubers that we call friends do the same thing on a wooden bench in their basement. But yeah, it'll be interesting to find out how much metal these RMCs can produce. But I don't know, the old way worked just fine. Let me know what you guys think.